Hey, it's Mokla Labs here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a translate and currency converter menu anywhere on your Shopify store. So what I'm going to do here is you can see there's none right now on the store, and I want to do is I want to custom place it wherever I want. So I'm going to give you some disclosure here that it's simple for a lot of themes, but some themes might be a little bit more technical, so you may want your programmer to do this. And I definitely recommend to save up a copy, save a copy prior to doing anything. So what we want to do for this video is we want to actually do it right here, just because I think it'll look nice right there. So first thing you do is you're going to go to your, say, you download the app, you're going to go into the menu, go into settings, and then you're going to go download here and you're going to choose custom. You'll copy this page code here, and then you'll actually paste it right into the menu where you want the code. Go to online stores, go to themes, go to actions, go to edit code. So we're putting it in the header file here, so we need to find the header file. So we're looking for header.liquid. So I'm using the debut theme here, so if you have the debut theme, it should be the exact same thing on it. So now I want to find out where the wrapper is. So there's a line of text you're going to have to search for in the code. And this is a good example of why you don't, because I actually copied and pasted it, and now I need to get it back in here. So this is the line of text I'm searching for. I'll include it as well below. But the other way you can just find it is if you're going to wrapper, and then look for the one that is, say, is icons.wrapper. Okay, so yeah, I gotta go grab my code again because I actually copied it and then I overpasted it. Let's go back into here. Copy, online store, action, edit, header. Let's find the word wrapper. This one here. And then what we do is just paste the line right in below. I'm going to just move tabs so it looks the same. So what I've done here is I've actually put it in my, say, the header wrapper. So at the really top here. So if I've done this correctly, it should place it right there. Hit save. So now it's saved. Let's see how it looks. And I now have my currency and my translation menu right in, say, right in the header of my Shopify App Store. And the reason I like it there is that we want to look very natural. We want to make it for your customers feel like it's part of your store. So when you have something like this, it doesn't look like odd or it doesn't look kind of off. It looks actually like it's actually native to your store. So that's kind of important to us with it. So that's why I'm showing you how to manually put it. And you can really put it anywhere you want on the store with it. So if this is useful, do like and subscribe to this channel. And if you need any help at all, please do reach out to us. More than happy. I'll include a link below, or just go to mokulapps.com. And yeah, if we can help you in any way, let us know. Thank you very much.